In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to crochet these beautiful 3D flower scrunchies. So let's get started. Materials: you will need your hair elastic. You can use any type of 4-weight yarn for this project. You will need your flower color yarn and also a white and green color yarn. So let's begin by creating a slip knot. You will begin with your flower color yarn. Then you attach it to your hair elastic like this. And now to begin the first row, you start with a chain of 1. And then you're going to make single crochets around your elastic. I made 42 single crochets, but you can make as many single crochets as you like. Just make sure that you make a multiple of 3. So you can make 42, 45, 48, 54 amounts of single crochets as long as it is a multiple of 3. And now that we have all our single crochets, let's finish the row with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Now let's cut off this color and change into our green color. And we're using our green color for the next row to make V stitches for our 3D flowers. So with your green yarn, make a slip knot and attach it to your work. And now we'll be working only in the back loops only. So in that first stitch in the back loop only, make a slip stitch. Then begin with a chain of 5, 4, 5. Then make a double crochet in that same stitch. And that is a V-stitch, but we are going to make another V-stitch in that same stitch. So make a chain of 2 and another double crochet into that same stitch. And that is a double V-stitch. And this is what we're going to be making for the rest of this row. So to continue, and remember that we're only working in the back loops only for this row. So skip the next 2 stitches, place 1 double crochet in the back loops only, then chain 2 and a 1 double crochet in that same stitch. Then make a chain 2 again and a double crochet into that same stitch again, and that makes your double V stitch. So continue making double V stitches into every 3rd stitch. At the end of the row, finish with a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the beginning. Then make a chain 1 and fasten off your work. And now we'll go straight into working into our front loops. We'll use our white yarn for this. Make a slip knot on your white color. Then attach it to any one of your front loop stitches. Then make 2 chains. And then working into all our front loop stitches, we are going to place 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 double crochets. So into all your front loop stitches, make 3 double crochets. And as you can see, it makes a lovely ruffle look. So to finish this row, you just make a slip stitch in that first double crochet. Then chain 1 and fasten off this color as well. And now, before we start working on our 3D flowers, you will want to weave in all those ends from these previous rows because they can be in your way. You can tie your ends together, then use your tapestry needle to sew it into your rows to secure the yarn from splitting. And now let's start working on the flowers. So using your flower color, start by making a slip knot and attaching it to any one of your V stitches. We are going to be working into each of our double V stitches. We will make the popcorn stitch into each of them. You'll make 4 popcorn stitches into each of them. So to make it, you make a chain of 3, then you make a double crochet, but only go through 2 loops and make another double crochet again and go through another 2 loops. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and go through all 3 loops. Make a chain 1 and repeat that again. Double crochet, but only go through your first 2 loops. Then double crochet again and go through the next 2 loops. Another double crochet again and go through the next 2 loops. You should have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and go through all 4 loops. Now make a chain 1 and in another side of your V-stitch, you will place 2 popcorn stitch again. So make your first one, chain 1 and make another one into that same V-stitch. Finish with a chain of 1 and then you're going to connect the first stitch and the last stitch together. And now we'll add our petals to it. So chain 1 and make a single crochet in that same stitch. Then make a chain of 3 and look very carefully for that next stitch. You'll single crochet in that next stitch. The stitches might be a little hard to find, but you'll find them. So you'll just keep making chain 3 and a single crochet in the next stitch around all those popcorn stitches that you made to make petals for the flowers. That gives it a beautiful 3D shape. You should have at least 6 or 7 petals. And at the end, you'll make your last chain of 3 and slip stitch into that first single crochet to make your 3D flower. And to finish off, chain 1, fasten off and weave in or cut off all your ends. And that's how you make the beautiful 3D flowers. And now you'll just be repeating those steps to make these flowers into your double V stitches. So let's go it over one more time. So make a slip knot and attach your yarn to any one of your V stitches. Then chain 3 and make a popcorn stitch, which consists of 2 double crochet together. Chain 1 and make another popcorn stitch in the same V stitch. Chain 1 again, then make 2 more popcorn stitches in the next V stitch with the chain of 1 in the middle. Chain 1 at the end and connect it together. And then you'll make the petals by chaining 1 and making a single crochet into that first space. Then chain 3 and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Chaining 3 again and making a single crochet in the next stitch, repeating that around until you reach it back at the beginning to make your petals. You should have 6 or 7 petals. Then make your last chain of 3 and slip stitch into your first single crochet to finish off this beautiful flower. Chain 1, then fasten off and weave in your ends. And that's how you make this beautiful 3D flower. So continue making your 3D flower into all of your double V stitches. And there you have it, your beautiful crochet 3D flower scrunchie. I hope you enjoyed crocheting this. You can make this in as many colors as you like. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crocheting!